We all know that anger is like an unwelcome guest that shows up unannounced. But fear not, because we're crafting a step-by-step plan to kick that anger to the curb. So, hit that like button, grab a comfy seat, and let's explore a step-by-step plan to win the battle against anger. All right, let's kick things off with a superpower move, the power of pause. Picture this. Anger knocks on your door, but instead of inviting it in, you take a moment to step back. B-roll, person stepping back and taking a deep breath. Breathe. Assess the situation like a ninja assessing the battlefield. B-roll, ninja assessing a battlefield. This pause is your buffer zone, preventing impulsive reactions and giving you the clarity to respond with intention. Remember, it's not about suppressing your emotions, it's about taking control. B-roll, person taking control of their emotions. The pause is your secret weapon to become the master of your reactions. Now, let's chat about triggers, those sneaky buttons people love to push. We all have them, right? Is it criticism, a certain tone, or the classic feeling of being misunderstood? Take a moment to identify your triggers. It's like having a treasure map to navigate through the emotional landscape of your mind. Knowing your triggers is not about avoiding them, but understanding them. It's like having a heads up about the hurdles in your emotional race, the first step to winning any battle. Here's a game changer. Shift your focus from blame to solutions. Imagine facing challenges with a mindset that says, okay, this isn't ideal, but what can I do to make it better? It's like upgrading your mindset from a basic flip phone to the latest smartphone. A proactive mindset not only diffuses anger, but also transforms you into a cool-headed problem solver. Blame is like carrying extra baggage. Solutions are your ticket to a lighter, more enjoyable journey. Not every battle is worth fighting, right? Some battles are like arguing with a GPS. You know you won't win. So save your energy for the battles that truly matter. Ask yourself, is this worth my peace? If not, my friend, it's time to channel your inner superhero, brush it off, and move forward with grace. Choosing your battles wisely isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of wisdom. Sometimes, letting go is the bravest thing you can do. Here comes the fun part. Humor and perspective. Ever heard the saying, a good laugh is the best medicine? Well, it's true. Sometimes a hearty laugh can be the antidote to anger. Learn to find humor in the situation or step back and see the bigger picture. It's like adding a sprinkle of joy to diffuse the tension. Humor is your sidekick in this battle. It doesn't diminish the seriousness of the situation. It just adds a dash of levity to help you face it with a smile. And there you have it. Warriors, our step-by-step plan to win the battle against anger. Embrace the pause, understand those triggers, focus on solutions, choose your battles wisely, and don't forget to sprinkle a bit of humor and perspective. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more life-changing content.